Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to activate a global picklist value in Salesforce, and we are going to learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic interface. So let's proceed and firstly understand what does we mean by activating a global picklist value in Salesforce. So in Salesforce, activating the global picklist value means making the global picklist value available for a section within a global picklist value set list. It allows a client to select the predefined values from the picklist field. In addition to this, when we are creating a new global list value, it by default be active, and to meet our needs, we can however deactivate or enable this global picklist value later on. We have already learned this concept how we can deactivate it. So let's try to understand it with the example also. Suppose you have a global picklist value called a property type, which will have a value such as house, apartment, condo, or townhouse, and the commercial, etc. But due to some reason, the real estate organization decide to temporarily hold on the townhouses type of a property for some period of a time. Now, after some period of a time, it decided again to reactivate or resume this townhouse property again. So now we will deactivated this value previously, but now we will reactivate again that we have deactivated. In the previous case we are deactivating the townhouse, and now we are activating again or reactivating it again to make it in a use. So I hope you have clearly understood what does we mean by how to activate a global picklist value in Salesforce. So let's proceed and learn how we can activate a value in global value set in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, firstly you need to log in into your Salesforce account as an administrator. Once you successfully logged in, your next step is to make sure that you are in a Lightning interface. Once you are in the Lightning interface, your next step is to check that whether you are on a main setup homepage or not. If you are not on the main setup homepage like me, you need to click on the gear icon that is given on the top right side here, and now you need to click on that and it will shows you the two options in the drop down. You need to click on the setup option that is given on the first one. Once you click on that, it will open the setup for the current application. It's take you to the page of your Salesforce Lightning main home setup. Once you redirect on the page that is visible on your screen right now, you need to utilize the quick find box for searching up the global picklist value. Here on the left we have a quick find box, and here I am typing the picklist value set because it is written as a picklist value set, not as a global picklist value set, and this thing is reside under the objects in the field section. Now I click on this picklist value set, and once I click on that, it will redirected me to the page where I will get the list of all the global that are available in Salesforce org. Now you can see that it will shows me the list. Now from the list you need to decide on which global value set you need to reactivate its value. Maybe in some global value set you have deactivated some value later previously, and now you want to reactivate it again. So it's time to choose up the global value set first. So now I am going to show you the example of a case status. You need to click on the name of the global picklist value set, not on the edit option that is given to the next. So I click on this case status, it will take me to the page where I will get the list of values or all the information related to particular this global value set, that is a case status. Now you can see that here we have a two sections. One is of values. In this section we will get the values that are presently activated, but the next section we have a inactivate values that will take the values that are deactivated by us for some reasons, for some being of a time. Now in this inactive values, it's time to choose up the value that you want to reactivate or activate it again. In my case I have only one value, but maybe in your case you have multiple ones. It's time to choose which value you want to reactivate it again. So here, if the value that you want to reactivate again, on all the values you will get the activate option next to it. In my case I also have a activate value option next to the low value. So I click on this activate option. Once I click on this activate option, it will take me to the page, and it refreshes up the page and automatically activated the value that is deactivated. Now you can see that there is no value remains in the activate value section, and the value that I have activated again shifted to the value section of that particular global value set. So with this we have successfully learned up how we can reactivate or activate the global value set in Salesforce Lightning. Now we will move ahead and learn this concept for Salesforce Classic also. And for this, firstly we need to redirect ourselves to the Salesforce Classic. Who are already in the Classic interface, that's good, but who don't are on the Classic one, you firstly need to redirect yourself. So for this you need to click on your profile, and on this profile you will get an option of a switch to a Salesforce Classic. You simply need to click on that and it automatically takes you to the classic interface of a Salesforce. Once you reached here, you will be on a main home page of a Salesforce Classic interface. Now, but to dealing up with the how we can activate a value of the global picklist set, we need to move ourselves to the setup page of a Salesforce Classic. For this you will get an option of a setup on the top right side, or if you don't get this option here, you will get the option under your name drop down. So now click on the setup option and it will take you to the page where you will get the classic interface setup. Now it's time to use the quick find box that is located on the left side, and here you need to search for the pick list value sets. This option is resides under the create drop down, which is under the build section. Once I click on this pick list value set, it will take me to the page where I will get the list of all the global value sets that are in my system right now. Now it's time to choose up the global value set whose value you want to reactivate again. So choose that global value set. In my case, I am going to select the travel destination. So I click on the name of the travel destination. It takes me to the next page where I will get all the global value set details particular to this travel destination. Now here I have two sections, values and inactivate values. But the values that are deactivated previously are in the inactivate value section. Now you can see that here I have a value named as a Paris that is deactivated by me previously. Now I want to reactivate it again or activate it again. So for this I simply click on the activate option that is given next to its name. Once I click on this activate option, it automatically reactivated up my value. It refreshes the page and you can see that it's take my value from the inactivate section value, and it will shift it to the values section that are for the particular global value set. You can see that here in the value section my value that is a Paris is resides here right now. So it means this value is again get reactivated. Now the users are able to see this value in the drop down list of the pick list value. So with this we have successfully learned up how we can reactivate or activate the previously deactivated global pick list value in Salesforce Classic. If you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.